it going, everybody? Matt Borey here from the American Casino Guide book. I'm here at the Seminole Casino Coconut Creek. I'm still wandering around looking to see if they have any decent video poker. We've got this game here behind me that's a new one I've never seen before called Moving Multipliers. Its pay tables are not very good. I looked it up online. It adds a little bit. The best game that we're going to play here is bonus poker, and it is 97.25%, and that is the best game on this machine. So not very good, but I figured it might be cool to test out a new video poker game that I've never seen. At least I don't know if any of you guys have seen it. Let's give it a whirl and see how it works. Okay, so I was looking this up online. This game, Moving Multipliers Poker. It adds 0.2% to the overall payback of the game. As I said, bad pay table, 6.5 bonus poker. The game pays 96.87, I believe, and this increases it to 97.01 or 0.1, I believe. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. Now the issue here is you have to bet 3 extra coins per hand, which is a lot. That's almost like Ultimate X levels here. So the way it works is if we go to See Pays and we go to the help screen, this multiplier can show up 11.49% of the time. So 11.5% of the time we'll get a multiplier, and I think the way it works is it shows up on the bottom line, and then the next hand it goes here, and then it goes here, and then it just keeps working its way all the way up. So you get the multiplier on 10 hands. And while the multiplier is there, you have chances of drawing a second multiplier. So you can get multipliers on more than one hand, but they're only going to happen on one hand at a time, I think, from what I was reading. So the only good news is this is going to be a volatile game, betting the 3 extra credits per hand. However, bonus poker is not an especially volatile game, so shouldn't be super streaky. Let's see how we do. What was that? That was like the 4th hand. Get some straight flushes, that'll help. I think this is 5. I don't know, let's count and see how many until we get this multiplier. This is maybe 6. We're betting 80 credits per hand, so we broke even there. This is maybe 7. I think this is 8. And 11.5% of the time is somewhere between 1 in every 8 and 1 in every 10. 1 in every 8 hands would be 12.5%. 1 in every 10 hands, of course, would be 10%. So I don't know the math for 9 off the top of my head, but it sounds like it's going to be about 1 in every 9 hands. And of course I lost count while I was talking. Okay, so we got a 12 times multiplier here. That's the best you can do. It can go between 2 and 12. So hopefully we get a winner here. So there we go. So we utilized that 12 times, and now the 12 times is going to go up, and we get this 9 more times. So hopefully we can use this 12 times multiplier. We got 8 more times we get it now. Hopefully we can get a second multiplier as well. Oh, guaranteed winner. We're using that 12 times here. We're using that 12 times here. 120, I'll take it. And we bought in for $500 like usual. Get a, oh no, 8, 9, 10 jack. Let's get a straight on that 12 times. Come on, there we go, 240. So we bet 80 and won 340. That is not too shabby at all. 4 aces up there? 4 aces on the 12 times? No such luck. Oh, okay, dealt flush. Look at that with a 6 and a 12 times multiplier. There we go. How about that? 650. Now I wonder, is this like I wonder if this is like Ultimate X. Oh no, you gotta bet max to spin the multipliers off. It's gonna see if I could burn them off like Ultimate X and just stop betting as much, but because I don't want to leave those multipliers for somebody else. Maybe when the 12 times falls off, I'll leave it. That's the new thing with all these new games. They sort of hook you in to keep playing because they leave those multipliers. I should have just left. Let's see what happens. It's a double-edged sword. So, it's only a 2 times, but at least we got 2 multipliers going again. 3 of a kind on the 6. I'll take that. I'll take that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Okay. Jacks are better. We got a winner on the 6. I'll take it. Ace King. Got to remember what game we're playing. We're not playing bonus poker, so we're not playing double-double. That's what I was playing earlier. 8, 8. Okay, King 10. All right, I guess we'll go back down to 500. Nine. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going. Keep us in the game. 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 Alright. Oh, we got another. It suckered me and I was about to leave. Oh, okay. We're still in this. 95. We're still in it, baby. Oh, we got another one, too. Here we go. 2 3s in a row. This could get fun. Can we get a third one in here? Third one in here? Come on. Flush on one of them. There. Ooh, on both of them. There we go. So that's what? 235. I'll take that. We're back in this, baby. We're back in the black. Ooh. Double strikeout there. That's no fun. Ooh, a third one with a 12. A 12 and 2 3s. This could get good. Oh, there we go. Now we need to get dealt the winner real bad. Come on. 7s. Come on, let's get quads on one of those multipliers. Ugh. Ugh, that was terrible. Deal us a winner. Come on, don't waste all these multipliers. Oh, man. They're doing us dirty. Doing us dirty, everybody. Come on, come on, come on. Wow. And let this be a lesson to you all. Don't chase your multipliers. Ooh, 2 3 4. We got interference from the ace, I think so. I don't know. Come on, guys. Not the 8, the ace. Come on, winner. There we go. Won a little bit there. Come on. There's a winner on that. No. Last shot at it. 9. All right, well, we had some fun on that game. Only lost $69. So not too terrible. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you see it in your casino, go ahead and give it a spin. It's a bit streaky with that 8 per hand bet, but you could also do 3 play and 5 play, so it's probably not as bad there. Take it easy, everybody. Have a good day.